Hi, this is William here, and today we're going to talk about image sitemaps in Google. With image search, just as with web search, Google's goal is to provide the best and most relevant search results to our users. Following Google's Webmaster Guidelines and best practices for publishing images can increase the likelihood that your images will be returned in those search results. In addition, you can also use Google's image extensions for sitemaps to give Google additional information about the images on your site's URLs. Doing this can help Google discover images we might not otherwise find, such as images that are reached via JavaScript forms, and also enables you to identify the most important images on a page. For example, if your site uses templates, every page might feature a boilerplate image. But by not listing this image in your sitemap, you're telling Google that it's less important than the images you have included. However, Google doesn't guarantee that we'll index all of your images or use all of the information in your sitemap. To give Google specific information about images on your site, you'll need to add image-specific tags to a sitemap. You can also update an existing sitemap. Or you can create your sitemap manually, or use one of the number of available third-party tools that can help you generate sitemaps. You can use a separate sitemap to list images, or you can add image information to an existing sitemap. So use whichever method works for you. For each URL you're listing in your sitemap, add additional information about important images on that page. The following example shows a sitemap entry for the URL, and this example.com sample.html, which contains 2 images. You can list up to 1,000 images for each page. The code listed below is the proper code, and as you can see there are 2 images in here, image.jpg and photo.jpg. Image tag definitions. You're going to have tags that are required, and then typically here's a description of each one. So the image is definitely required, and it encloses all information about a single image. Each URL or location tag can include up to 1,000 of the image tags. The image::location, yes, it's required as well. The URL of the image. And then the image::caption is optional, and the caption of the image. The image::geo_location is optional, and it gives the geographic location of the image. Image::title is also optional, and it's the title of the image. The image::license is optional, and it's the URL to the license of the image itself. After you submitted your sitemap, it's best to wait up to 5 days to make sure there's been enough time to index it. And this has been sourced through Google Webmaster. And that concludes the presentation on image sitemaps in Google. And this is William, and we'll see you the next time.